ug Ariel. Sundok sa gamay ug Ariel. You see, you have to learn the German dialect or else your father cannot understand you. Learn the language of the Dutch. Just like ancient one. Nistwinen, hongi. Chender, hongi.
Kleiner.
Kleiner, hongi. Nistwinen. You have to learn the German dialect or else your papa cannot understand you. I'm sorry, didn't hear you. Sorry? What's that? What's that you're going to tell me? Yes. What's that? What is it? Oh, come on. Tell me some more or else your papa cannot understand you. You are a German boy. You're a German boy. Listen to me. Nistwinen. Nistwinen. Hongi. Honga? Told me. Did you finish your buffet? Yes. Was it good? Did you drink your milk? Did you drink your milk? Sorry, drunk. Did you drink your milk? Did you drink plenty of milk this evening? Are you done? Yes, are you done? Did you go to Ayala and then have that rain? Heavy rain? Many people were looking at you. They love you. You were like a model. Sorry. You were like a model. Many people were looking at you. And then... Yes, that's good. That's good. What else? What else? What is it you're going to tell me? Yes, that's good. What else? What else are you going to tell me? Yes, that's better. Yes. Then what happened? What happened? Maximilian? What happened? Yes. Did it rain? Then you rode with a taxi. Then what happened next? What happened? Yes. What else? What else are you going to tell me? Yes, you enjoyed. Yes, you want to go back. Yes, you want to go back to Ayala tomorrow? You ask your mom. You ask your mama. We're going back to Ayala tomorrow. Maksoy is going. Yes, I understand. Yes. What else? What else? Yes. Were you tired? Did you sleep? Were you tired? Did you sleep in Ayala? Sige na kayo, mami. Video niyo mag